अस्सलामुअलैकुम आखिर दावाकुम अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन. Okay, now this is day 4. Ya Rahman. He is our body creator. He is the body creator of all human beings and angels. Angels. So after stepping on earth by Adama, Rabbul Alameen taught what to do on earth. Number 1, pray to Him only and only. His name is Rabbul Alameen, Ar-Rahmanu. So now all people call him by his designated name. Main name is Rahmanu. This is after that, in case of as on dated people, but I am talking about to Adma. Adma were instructed to call to Rabbul Alameen only for well-wishing, praying and praises, and the acts what he taught accordingly they had to execute. Very first thing, call him by a designated name. Then you can speak in English or Hindi or Urdu or Nepali or any other language, but this is unchanged. Like name on the passport, like that. Profession can be translated, but the identity cannot be. So your requirement can be spoken in any language, but name we must have to call by his designated name, Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Then after comes Rabbil Alameen and followed by Maliki Yawmiddin. This is very first on earth. This is the main thing by which the person recognized as Al-Mu'minina or Al-Muslimina. They talk about only about these name and whatever written in Al-Quran, their words. And what they got the teaching by face-to-face meeting with Muhammad. Okay, this is the very first. Okay, so never forget all Ar-Rahmani. Not Allah. Okay, especially my preaching to those people in the world, they have been changed their religion from one particular to Islam. My concern is especially to those people. Are you sure you changed really Islam or worse than that what you was following before? That is my concern. So I am coming on to this to it. Okay. Yeah, I have. So make sure whoever mediator who you impressed by something and change into Islamic. Are you sure this is Islam religion? They have been calling the name of Almighty God as Ar-Rahmani or other. Allahu is not word actually. Allahu is not bird. This is the finger and this is nails. Okay, nails, and this is hips. Here are the anus, then vagina, then penis of Almighty God, Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Those who have been changed their religion, whether they are from Asia or Africa or Australia or North America or South America or Europe or Europe, okay, Antarctica, there is no population live there, okay. So there are 7 continents in the world. Only population reside on 7 continents: Asia, Africa, Australia, North America, South America, Europe. So my concern on them, not but Allah. So very first thing, make sure the main identity designated name, main name is Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim or Ar-Rahmani. Make sure before. So number 2, never speak Akbar to Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. They at present the people they speak Allahu Akbar. First of all, this is not the name. This is the body part. This is finger and this design, drafting. Name is Ar-Rahmani, Rabbil Alamin, Malik Yawmiddin. So, Ar-Rahmanu is not Akbaru, okay? No. Rahman is no Akbaru. He is Aliyul Kabiru. Kabir, Al-Kabir, not Akbar. If you say Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim Akbaru means you are telling that Ar-Rahmani has been in the process of having sex with other party. But this is wrong. Ar-Rahmanu Rabbil Alamin never have intercourse with any party, only he get satisfaction by using finger and palm to get masturbation. Masturbation, identity known as Kabiro. Akbar means physically intercourse having the Almighty God, Rabbil Alamin. This is false statement. This comes into a big sin. Make sure before uh, come into the Islam religion. This is very nice for your life, your spouse and your children. But make sure things are right or wrong. What you uh, you was instructed say Allah Akbar, say this, but this is false accusing to Almighty God that you have been have been having in the process of doing the intercourse with other party by saying Akbaru. So make sure, especially Europe, Americans, Australians, Asians, like that. Those who come from other religion. So this is the step by step I have been explaining you so that you would be free from any mistake followed by the sin. In order to put the negative attendance, you are thinking that I am on the right path as the 1.4 billion people on earth saying that they have been following the Islam. With that, you are getting pleasure that I am also following Islam. But this is not the part of Islam. Saying Akbaru, saying Allahu, it means you are not believing in this particular sawalayat when do Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and other sawalayat Ulidullah or the Rahmana as written in the Bani Israel Exodus sawalayat and Naml 30. So make sure, I know you people are innocent, but the people they have been misusing your emotion and sentiments, put you in the worst level of your life, worse than you was previous. Okay. Okay, now I am stopping my preaching now. Muhammad Altaf. Bye for now. The day 4 is over. We will come on the day 5. Sequence wise, I am teaching you so that your life must be free from any mistake resulting put yourself into sin or invalid attendance or negative attendance. Make sure. Thanks very much. Bye. Muhammad Altaf is here.